Hey y'all, I am back to share how to use your 10 off 1001 DG coupon after you've earned it from your Procter& Gamble purchase. So, if you are interested in that and interested in some of my receipts showing the amazing ways we can save on this last day of the clearance event, then please keep watching. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click subscribe, set the bell to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. And if you enjoyed the video, maybe leave a like and a comment so I can thank you for watching. And if you really, really like it, maybe even hype it. Thanks, y'all. Okay, guys, so these were not marked as clearance at my store, but they are clearance. It's the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Maui Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. So you get a $2 off one coupon. That means you're paying $1 for one of them. So if you have two accounts, I would pick up a shampoo on one account and a conditioner on the other so that you get them for $1 each. Alright, y'all, so today we're going to talk about how to use your 10 off 1001 purchase coupon after you have earned it from Procter & Gamble in your DG app. Now, it automatically shows up in your clipped coupons as 10 off 1001. There's nothing you need to do to add it, okay? As long as you clip the earn 10 when you spend 30, you will get it. Alright, y'all, so the most important thing to remember is your total must be $10.01 after all instant savings or DG store coupons are applied. This does not count when it comes to manufacturer's coupons. Those are not going to affect it, okay? Alright, y'all, so for your basket, you want to spend $10.01 after any instant savings or DG store coupons. In this basket, I picked up my Arm & Hammer. It was $5. We had $3 in stacking coupons coming off. Then I picked up the Palmolive and the Apple Orchard scent on clearance for $2.45. You'll notice the DG promotion, -123, that is the 50% off for the clearance event. Next, I picked up the Maui Conditioner, Maui Moisture. It is $3. See that DG promotion, -$3. That is the clearance event pricing, so I've got it for $3. Then I picked up just some Poise pads, regular price. I don't even think a coupon came off. Now, my coupons look a little wonky because my bulk basket discount came off and it adjusted down all my other digital coupons. So, had that not happened, I probably would have saved a whole lot more money, but it adjusted it down. So anyhow, my total was just $2.36 for everything that I picked up. So, just spend $10.01 or more. Make sure after any instant savings again, because that will affect the total. So as long as you do that, it's just going to automatically come off, and you don't even need to buy a P&G product. Alright, y'all, this one's easier to follow because there is no bulk basket discount. I did not have any 10 off 1001 on this account. So I picked up the Arm & Hammer, $5. Then the Palmolive Apple Orchard clearance for $2.45. You'll see the -123. That's because it was half off. Then the dollar comes off for the DG store coupon for Arm & Hammer. Then my dollar came off for Palmolive Apple Orchard, the clearance item, because you can use coupons on clearance items. Then we have the $2 coming off at the very bottom. That was my $2 manufacturer's coupon on Arm & Hammer. So my balance was just $2.53. So I don't know who told you guys, or I don't know who told anybody that they couldn't use digital coupons on clearance items, but that's absolutely not true. The cashiers do not have any control over what coupons come off. As long as you load them to your account, they will come off at checkout when you enter your phone number. And make sure you're holding on to your paper coupons, y'all. We are getting the 10 off 40 printed on the bottom of our receipt, as well as a Monday through Friday 5 off 25. So I'm sitting over here with 5 stacks of these coupons right now, just waiting to put some deals together to do a Monday through Friday 5 off 25. So pick up as many of those as you can because we're going to be putting some deals together this week. All right, y'all, that's it for this quick little video. Just wanted to show you that shampoo and conditioner I picked up along with my receipts to show you that today we can still get some fantastic deals. All right, y'all, thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.